Looking for Ethernet cables that deliver consistent, high-speed performance without the hassle? These Cat6 Snagless cables are designed to keep your network running smoothly, whether you're streaming video, gaming, or handling heavy data loads. With a snagless design, they prevent frustrating cable snags during installation, making your setup faster and easier. Built with standard RJ45 connectors and 24 Aruban fluorines stranded bare copper conductors, these cables meet all Cat6 TIA (EIA) standards. That means they drastically reduce impedance and structural return loss, which translates to fewer signal disruptions and clearer data transmission. The TSB 568B wiring scheme ensures compatibility with most networking devices, from routers to patch panels. What sets these cables apart is their construction. Each of the 4 twisted pairs is bonded tightly to maintain twist spacing all the way to the termination point. This reduces near-end crosstalk, so your network runs cleaner and faster. Plus, the molded snagless boot offers extra strain relief, protecting the cable and connectors from damage over time. I recently upgraded my home network with these cables to match my Cisco Linksys WRT610N dual-band router. The quality was immediately noticeable. The cable length was just right, not too long or short, perfect for connecting my laptop, Xbox 360 Elite, and PS3 without clutter. Supporting 10/101,000 gigabit speeds, they've handled every streaming and gaming session without a hitch. Available in multiple colors, these cables help you organize your network setup visually. Whether you're managing a home office or a complex media center, color coding your connections makes troubleshooting and upgrades simpler. And with a lifetime warranty backing their durability, you can trust these cables to last through years of use. If you're running a fast Ethernet or gigabit network and want cables that handle bandwidth-heavy voice, data, or video applications, these Cat6 Snagless cables are worth a look. They combine quality materials, smart design, and proven performance to keep your network stable and speedy. Ready to upgrade your network with cables that deliver reliable speed and durability? Try these Cat6 Snagless Ethernet cables when you're ready to experience hassle-free installation and smoother connections. Your devices, and your data, will thank you.